guys, tonight.
Yeah.
I swear me, I really feel like make I go sleep. Oh. So far as I get my Dockers,
As if you know.
I
Once I get my Alice in Wonderland.
Alice, stop! I don't believe
We
you.
go make the land wonderful.
About you and the one so you know what talk. Are you afraid your woman? No.
Yo, nigga, challenge.
Challenge.
You guys spoil your tonight.
Allah, you look at
You like that, God, come down.
why you fooling?
Give me some. What is it? Stop.
You people will stop this thing.
Yeah, your woman, you know the buy food.
Hey!
Your woman, you know the buy food.
Hey! Oh, tell him
I'm okay.
by this
So
time,
why you come?
yeah, that's what you do the job. By this time, hey. Stop shouting. By this time, now, hey. Who are you?
Please Sakpanyanya, they talk, you before they talk. Who?
Sakpanyanya, they talk, you people they talk. Yeah, your father is long.
Sakpanyanya, they talk, you before they talk. Actually, these people, they fuck up. They swear our business. They swear everything. I swear they swear everything. So now what we go do? You know what you go do? Nothing we go do. We go do tomorrow. They swear everything. Look over for me.
Charlie, we got to feel your chain. Come on, give me.
What you mean by that, Charlie? What's the only I come and change you?
I won't make her talk 2 times already. Wait till they suck.
Chill. Forget that thing. I will just give you.
See, that's why they like your matter. You see, if you don't obey simple instructions like that, you go pave way, give me, make I show you the streets. You understand?
Charlie, you come on my chain. What you get show me, bro?
I see this DBO. You won't claim street boy already. Master, if you relax, make you know something. I won't make you knock. I won't set some girls we give you that not there. If you betray somebody for some say, make you no worry.
How that go help me, bro?
See, this guy don't know nothing. See, this be what go change your destiny.
Charlie, see me, I tell you something. See my popino carry me can't see me, I carry do mama tell you.
They talk about it.
Charlie, you see something, Charlie, forget you carry the chain. I know they want time again. And they go.
Mickey! How about this guy be slow, Papa? You get me, I go can. You know be your fault.
Charlie, do it. Charlie, no go out, go find something to okay. Me say the lectures, you know, they my eye to. As I
You
come
can joke. See your life. You're not even serious at all. Won't you do your assignment? Even he's coming to give you another one. You've not done the old one.
You didn't like class too much. So bro, for them they do you.
Man, what's up? Charlie, how you doing?
Senior man.
So you so I don't show like
Sick anyone.
How you doing now?
I'm good.
Fine girl. Baby girl, they call you, they might be small now. Why? Just you fresh like today bread.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
What are you guys doing here?
She makes you interested in the class. That's why I think I will go find something.
Guy, chill. See, babe, if I make you go someplace, go relax. She say always I get my eyes for you. I dey tell you this always. This your hair, this your free hair. I won't just get to touch her. The flow you since.
You still they carry this your teaching the road they come.
Oh.
It's like you don't have any job doing, right?
I don't get any job. You alone like this is my job. You
That's
did my
why
job.
they said if you don't have any business doing, Satan will actually give you a job to do.
So
Excuse me.
wait. So no, Satan don't give me you. Me, I accept anything. No.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm not interested. Can't you see I'm serious? I am learning, of course.
You two, you ready to do?
See,
know.
make we end all this. How much you go take? I go buy up the lecturer, I buy up the whole school.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Are you able to do this?
Charlie, me there. I know the bad that thing. Waking up and
Babe, see,
I make busy.
you get one spot we come out.
Hello.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Please.
What's the matter with you?
No worry, you I be I talk inside we can't get you, but one or two things will make you. No problem.
But I don't like him. Why is he pursuing me all over?
Small proposal, they can't tell me to tap.
Hey, but I want to get some water. Get some water for
I
me.
beg. When I told you let's go out to sell
Pepper, what is it? I sell it. Nice.
I dey put my woman for your hand. I'll make you take this your eye, eat two eye kolo kolo. See, as I dey watch you, you watch my woman. If you see anybody in this campus, they follow my woman, you know say you get trouble.
Why? I be supervisor for you.
You know be supervisor, but
Why your woman give you? Why?
you want challenge me.
I know they challenge you.
That's why I say I will put my woman for your hand, make you watch my woman for you.
If you want somebody to put your woman for your hand and go get security or body that give am.
Sister.
I no get time.
Now everybody you want chop. Eh? Every girl you dey harass.
This some people.
Why every girl for this everything we get hold under? You just want enter
Now
inside.
me they talk to.
Why I know we talk to you. I know they see you.
You know me.
I beg. Did they
You
show
know you know me
Did
well.
they show you for where? I never see your face before you dey talk say every guy want chop.
You know me well.
You never reach that I be play.
We can pray.
Look
You
at
know
me.
me when they talk to.
Boss. Calm down.
You can't this campus not take. No, you don't keep long.
Abutere. Oh, make your spirit calm down. If you joke at the joke plus
We
you.
can't joke.
This one no be.
Watch my
anything.
face well.
Oh, sorry. I
Now
swear.
let me say Sakpanyanya if you don't know.
Oh, I never knew. If you know
Yes,
I talk
sir.
to you. Sorry.
Next time you talk with someone, you put your mouth inside.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Now your head go.
Go chop. If you chop anyone you want, no worry. Sorry. Charlie, I never even do anything. Oh. Hey, God. Oh. But why I need to mind my business? Sir? This one, let's simply die inside. What are you doing?
I'm working on a few documents here.
Dad, like, I heard you discussing some check with mommy today.
Oh, yeah. That check is a 6,000 Ghana cedis check I'm going to sign for you. And it is for the books and the other stuff you told me about.
Oh, okay.
Because when it comes to your education, I'm not going to compromise on anything. I make sure you get the best of education. Whether you want to travel abroad, wherever you want, once it is education, I'm ready to finance it. Because look at all these properties. Look at all this. When you compare it to knowledge, this is small. The knowledge you acquire can make you get several times over. Is that right?
You're right.
So don't look at this. What you acquire up here is the key.
Wow. One more thing though. Like last year, you promised me something bigger. This year. Like last year on my birthday, you promised me this year you're going to get me something much bigger. And you know, my birthday is fast approaching. And I'm still not seeing anything. So I just want to ask if anything is on the way coming.
I remember this year, your birthday. Goodness. I'm planning to get you a car.
Oh, no, Dad. You didn't just say that. A car. For me.
Listen, I said I'm getting you a brand new ride. And I'm thinking of Honda Civic or Accord, the latest Civic or Accord. But I want you to do a checkup. Just go and do a few checkups and decide on which one you want. Civic or Accord for you.
Daddy, forget. Daddy, a car is a car. Any of them, I will like it. Daddy, forget about that. Mommy must hear. Mommy must hear this.
Hold on. Don't be too excited. There's a condition. I need a first degree class.
Oh, come on, Dad. I am the true son of my father.
Good.
My brains, I took it from you.
Good.
First class.
Good.
Great deal.
Listen.
Deal.
Anything below first class, a bicycle.
Daddy, forget bicycle now. Daddy, there's no way I'm falling below that. Mommy must hear this good news. In
Great.
fact, I'm going to call mommy.
All right.
Mommy. A car. Oh my God. Hey. Daddy, like you want? Ow. you don't mean it.
As for education, no compromise. A car. So let's go. Hey, Sakpanyanya, come. Come here.
I think be your own way they call me like that.
I can call you.
I cannot call me like that.
How are you?
Cool guy.
I just want to ask you a question.
Which question that?
Why are you behaving the way you do? Why are you being so stubborn? Look, I'm not looking for a quarrel with you.
Are you talking to?
I'm your lecturer. I want the best for you.
No, are you talking to me or?
Of course I'm talking to you.
We are talking to someone.
I want your best. So if you try and behave and learn, you study.
Hold on.
It's for your own benefit.
Hold on there. You pay my bills for me? Or do you bring me inside this school? This campus, do you bring me?
How does that
Oh,
happen?
let me tell you something. Let me tell you to understand me well. I hold myself. I live what I like. So you cannot tell me that I should do like that, I should do like that, I should do like this. If you get your own son, then you tell them how you feel. Me, I no be your son. You get me? Me, I no be your son. I may be Sakpanyanya. Me, I no dey fear anyone for this campus. They hear me. The next time I'll pass here and you call me, you see, you won. You understand me? You won. Let me tell you. Yeah, I forget your name, sir. But I don't want you can give you something. That's why we tend to you gently. This one we gently and they talk to you. You not be able to pay my bill, so.
So what they do you? Hey, why? So get me break your heart and I gotta tell you. Eric. Child, what did you do? Yeah? Almighty Eric. Omo.
Charlie, I beg. For no good that was still inside, you give me the deal.
Why? As you go ask why you know the shop. Wait, why you messing him like this? For
Charlie, I say me will go there was still, then you give me your hoodie. I dey feel cold.
hey, Charlie, no. This one, Charlie. If this thing they do there, I forgot get medicine. Maybe. Hey.
Then make people there go lie down, then go get me the medicine.
I swear. I don't know. Say, see, the almighty lion has fallen. Omo.
Charlie, you dey talk too much.
You okay? You will make it go. Hey, don't worry. I will. If Charlie make it go, then go buy some money. I will get some medicine. Yeah.
Alice, what is it? What's wrong with you?
I don't feel well at all.
Alice. Alice, are you sure you're not pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant. I'm just not feeling well. I'm just feeling cold. I'm feeling pain in my tummy.
Just like that? So, are you taking any medicine?
Yeah, I'm taking it, but still.
Alice, then you have to go to hospital. So, tell me, what exactly is your problem? Is it your tummy, your abdomen, or where?
See, let me tell you something. You think I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant. It's just lady things. I'm just feeling pain. I'm having my menses, you know.
Oh, Alice.
And when my comes, I go through pains a lot.
Sorry,
I can't
sorry.
contain it.
Sorry.
I feel pain. It holds my thighs. I feel cold. I can't take it.
Then you should have been inside, not outside like this.
I can't.
Sorry. Your own is not good at all. For my own, I feel free to go anywhere I want.
You are
I'm sorry.
lucky.
Let's go inside, so I'll get you medicine. Okay? Let's go. Come on. Come here. Look at her. She's too heavy too. Ha! Can you get that thing? Yes, we can. Sorry.
Alexander, I want something. Where did alone? Who's the one making you? Maybe I'm a kid here.
Why you no go check am first?
Okay.
What be that?
Ah, sure. Maybe it's fine. Like that. You know, this one, the rest being here. The rest being here.
What you want make I do?
You know like that?
Make I hold this.
I say hold am before.
Don't make I change am for you.
I say make you hold am. Put am for your bucket.
You hold on, make you do what you want to make.
Put am for your pocket.
Hold on.
Put am for your pocket.
Hold on, no the rush.
This one dey here. Me, I no take my own. I take put this one for here.
So you not take your own.
You just chop this one.
Give me this. The same thing you carry give am.
Yes, sir.
When they talk say you no comot your own. So your own you go comot, you go share am later or what? Because I know they understand.
Me and you be one.
We be one, but this be money matter.
Money matter.
You understand? The money matter you for share am according to.
According to, hey, this guy, you get bold. And later, now you know the respect. Or you get bold to talk to Sakpanyanya how you like.
You know man, you yourself, you mention the name, you dey hear lighter, spanner.
Spanner self no talk plenty, but you lighter. You won't hear my talk.
I tell you, if you no do what is right, you no go lack am next time. You see this thing, this fire wey I get. Hey, I go take am light you.
Lighter.
I go take am light you.
Lighter. Don't joke with me, oh. Don't joke with me, oh. You know like
Lighter.
I dey hold you. You be Sakpanyanya.
Yeah, na me be that.
Na me lighter.
Yeah.
Lighter.
See where we dey.
Relax.
Yeah.
Lighter, relax.
I go light you, you go bend.
You go feel light me.
Make I ask you.
But I say you be lighter, oh.
This be small money.
Yo, if you no like am, you go fit carry waka go.
This be small money. No problem.
Make I ask you something.
You think no like am?
Make I ask you something.
Ask me. I dey
Shebi
hear
you wan take this money give me, abi?
I take give you, no be say
me,
I
I
wan
can't
take
give
give
am.
you.
I go come back of you.
Me, I carry my
Eh.
give am.
If you dey walk, watch your back.
Both of you.
If you
go
dey
make
walk,
one.
watch your back.
Oh, I
They
hear.
give me 50 cedis.
I go shoot you up.
Na me be that. Sakpanyanya.
Make you hear spanner.
No one.
I talk you my own.
Sakpanyanya. No one. You lighter. You the joke.
You see my face.
I dey see your face well well. I dey see you.
Read the face very well.
I read them well well.
Next time,
Nothing go
I carry
happen.
the money give you.
Nothing go
By
happen.
the time you know say your name is Sakpanyanya,
Yes, I.
you don't bend.
You know the name. Always they mention the name.
I go lie to you.
Oh, they lie. Now me be
I go lie to
Sakpanyanya. Now me be Sakpanyanya. Carry waka dey go.
I say I go lie to you.
Carry waka. Who be you? Lighter. If you lighter, they take smoke every day. Like if you go burn, I'm born already. Fuck you, lighter. Now me be Sakpanyanya. The whole campus, nobody. Why you go tell me say, ah, you go light me? Ah, this guy no dey respect again, oh. But no be anything. This my nephew think he had dream past everyone in this campus.
Master, forget that. Me sef, I know they like am one bit.
You or me?
I no
Fasi
like
am dey bore.
I know they like am. They do himself like he know everything, Nothing he knows sef.
Some mama bad level be.
Forget am.
Oh.
We will make sure they here. Forget that man.
Well, for me, I think at times he kind of cool, and I like him though.
Look at you.
At other times too,
Don't add. Don't add that.
he acts like shit.
See him big head be. Like he know everything na mama.
I be you be your brother, so.
We nephew, so how we go
Your
take one
nephew
now?
go.
That be how your family dey. No be so.
So how
My
we
mama
go,
bad
how
people,
we
so.
go take one now?